Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure dashboard in DataNote. So what is a dashboard? The dashboard is a user interface where you can get an entire overview of MIS data like sales, purchase, etc. in a way that is easy to understand. For example, here I am logged in as a sales user and I want a graphical report which will show me the overview of region-wise sales and item group-wise quotations. Let's see how can we do that. Please make sure that you are logged in as an administrator. Navigate to Settings, User Rights, Design Roles and click on Dashboard Settings. To modify, click on the desired dashboard. Here, we will modify, or you can say configure the sales dashboard. Here, you can have a list of sections. For example, header, calendar, sales chart, etc. To add a new section, click on the plus icon. Here, you need to give the title to your section. Then, select the type of section. For example, area chart, vertical chart, horizontal chart, etc. You can define the size of the section and then link a specific query from the list. Make sure that to create a new section with a new graph, you must require a relevant data query. If you don't have the query, then please ask your implementation agency, consultant, your technical team, or simply create a ticket as feature request from the help desk.